Russell 2000, small caps down 0.25%. So not a lot of whole action here. A lot of times ahead of these big reports or Fed involvement, could it be a Fed meeting or Jay Powell, we see a little bit of inaction or sometimes drift, sometimes to the upside. I've also seen it to the downside. Nevertheless, it looks like the market is just waiting for a catalyst. We'll get that shortly. Communication services in the lead. That's a meta story, I would believe. We'll have to go over to the NASDAQ 100 in a second to verify that. Healthcare, staples, utilities, those are also in the green. So more or less a defensive setup, except for communication services there. Energy taking it the biggest hit to the downside, followed by materials, financials. Take a look at the dollar in a second. But first, I want to check out the NASDAQ. And indeed, Meta's up about 2.5%, AstraZeneca up over 1%, Microchip up over 1.5%, but not seeing a lot of outsized performance here. I want to focus on the bond market. This is going to be the 13-week T-bill rate. This is up another 3 basis points to what is a 15-year high. Anyway, you got to go all the way back to 2007. That's going to be way over here. So higher for longer. Bond market is pricing that in, at least on the short end today. I don't know about longer, but higher definitely. 10-year. Let's dial this down to a 3-month chart, and you can see up about or down 3 basis points from yesterday's close, but still in the area of 4%. I'm going to be looking at the bond market closely today while Paul is speaking, Julie.
Yes, most definitely. And the shorter end, as we heard from Sean Cruz yesterday, has been popular with retail investors.
Yes.